Hi guys, hello everyone. So welcome back to my YouTube channel today. My name is Becca Nakada and this is my channel. So if you're new here and this is the first time I'm stopping by, thank you so much, job cases. And if you've been with us throughout this journey, you're welcome back to today's episode of today's video. I don't know why, probably because I just woke up, that's why I'm stumbling like that. Okay, so as you can see, I'm having scarf on my head. You might wonder, like, why is this girl having scarf on her hair to sleep? It's normal, right? I'm a girl. Anyways, I have a hot bonnet, but I left it in school because we are writing our examination, but I still have work to go to. So I'm a distance student of the University of Ghana, if you don't know. So I think I have 2 days off in the week, and today is Thursday, and today I'll be going to campus to write my examination. So I decided to just make this vlog for you guys. Okay, so there's a random day in my life. Oh gosh. Yeah, I know you've watched the other videos, so I also know it's been like months, like ages since I last posted video. Girl have been so lazy with her school and her work, and I feel like it's not been really good reason for me to shoot a video yet, but today, yeah, here am I today. Okay, so I know, look at my chest. It's okay, stop looking at my chest. I'm having acne outbreak. I'm having hyperpigmentation, and it's not been easy. I've been using a lot of products, and I've been given like 3 months to wait and see the outcome. So I'm just waiting patiently. If it works, I'm going to give you guys routine, yeah, how I take on my skin. So yeah, for today, I don't know, I'm sweating because I didn't want the fan to disturb and I had to lower it in a bit. But anyways, you can go ahead and shoot a video. So today's video is about a day in my life. Actually, today I have 3 things to do. I have to go to the phone shop to have some changes with my phone, and also go to the nail salon to go and make my nails, and then go to campus. So like I have 3 things to do today, and then I've been on campus last week, so I'm going this week again, and I still need 1 or 2 staff to send to campus. So I'm going to be a little loady. I don't know, and probably I'm just bring my own word, but you know, I'm going to send some stuff. So yeah, I'm actually going to the phone shop today, and then later I'll go to the nail stick for my nails, and then I'll go to school. So come with me as we go through this journey together. So I'm done with the phone. When I got to the phone shop, I couldn't shoot the video because I actually wanted some changes, so I wasn't with my phone at that time. So I'm done and I'm getting ready to go to the new nails shop. I can't see my screen because my screen is very, very dark. I don't even know if what I'm doing is right, but yeah, we'll meet when I get to the salon. Hi guys, so I'm home now and I'm getting ready to go to campus. Anyways, how's my nails? Yeah, it's so beautiful, right? Yeah, so I think, I don't know, but I'm looking bougie. I don't know, but like I'm looking bougie, trust me. That's what I feel. I know you agree with me. Okay, so let's go to school together.
But people of Ghana, but it is not always the case that people are quiet.
Okay, so I just got to campus and I just got to my hostel. So this is where I'll bring the video to an end. So if you have watched to this side, thank you for watching. And if you know you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Kindly subscribe, give it a like, and come back another time for a new video. So this is where we end our video. Thank you guys for watching. Love you all. Bye.